This particular installation is carried out by Subway Energy Limited. We are having 144 solar panels on top of this roof, and each of the solar panel is rated 470 watts. It is these solar panels that will give us the DC that is required to charge the solar battery in our equipment room. Inside the equipment room, we have about 24 solar battery, each rated 2 volts, 1000 amp hour. We have 3 Fronius inverter rated 15 kVA. We have 3 Quattro inverter rated 15 kVA each, and we have 1 Phoenix inverter, the critical inverter, rated 5 kVA. It is what will supply the energy needs for this particular branch of the bank. With this design and installation, this bank is sure of having an uninterrupted power throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the months. They will be having power to power all their electrical load in this branch of the bank. For training, installation, maintenance, do well to communicate with any of the admin. We are assuring you of the best encounter when it comes to energy generation. Irrespective of the size, irrespective of your amount, we are able to give you the best. Thank you.